Hey guys, so today for a video I thought that I would review my favorite things. I'm going to focus on 2013, so last year. I have gotten a few more things since 2014 started, but I thought I would do favorites of 2013. So the first thing is this Juicy Couture perfume. It smells so good. I don't even know what to describe it like. It's just the best smell. I got this for the first time when I was 15, I think. And I honestly still have the first bottle I have. It has like this much left. But then last year for Boxing Day, like in 2012, I got this on for a lot less. So I had to get it. But this has been my favorite for a really, really long time. I love it. It smells so good. It's called Viva La Juicy. And it's just wrapped up so nicely. So love this. My next favorite is American Cream Conditioner. It's from Lush. I just have a small one, but I tried it as a trial and I actually really, really liked it. It smells delicious. It's like strawberries and a lot of fruity smells. It's just so good. And to pair with it, I have the Fairly Traded Honey shampoo. So these work really, really nicely together. You can feel it make your hair soft. Honestly, when my hair is wet, it feels soft. And I never knew that was even possible before until I tried Lush. So definitely recommend both of these. They're my favorite. Another thing from Lush that I love is Buffy. So it's like a skin exfoliator, which is amazing. And it's in this tin that I have, which is also good. I recommend getting the tins because otherwise everything will just melt in the shower. So it just looks like that. It has like nuts on it and everything, and it just exfoliates. You just lightly have to do it, and it actually smells really good. Some people say that it smells earthy and it gives them like residue grease, but I honestly didn't think that it left me greasy. It actually left me pretty moisturized, so I love that. Another thing from Lush is the Ocean Salt face and body scrub. I've only used this on my face so far and I really like it. It's really gentle. I didn't really know what to expect because it says ocean salt, but it's actually really soft. So the consistency is a lot different than I thought it would be. And it actually smells really good. I can't describe the taste again. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at this, but I love it. It works really nicely. I usually like take off my makeup with my cleanser and then I use this. I've only used it twice so far, but I really, really like it. Definitely recommend it. And then another amazing thing is Dream Cream. I love this. It's made my eczema a lot better. It hasn't gone away yet completely, but it's come a long way, which is amazing for me because my skin is so bad. Sometimes it causes me like to lose sleep because I just can't stop itching or I'm in so much pain. I'm honestly on the verge of crying. I used to have to take Benadryl and Reactin just to soothe like the itchiness. So Dream Cream has saved me, so I got the bigger bottle. And so I love this. And also a good soap is Snow Cake. Usually it's a lot nicer looking, but obviously I've used this. It smells like almonds. It's so good. I can describe that smell. And also for a face cream, when I use Ocean Salt, I use the Celestial Face Cream. I like it, but it's not my favorite, which is why it's not in this video. Just because when you put it on, it's kind of thick and greasy. I like it, but only for at night. I would not put it on if I'm about to put makeup on. I would definitely not recommend using it, but I do like it. And then a few more things from Lush. I have the Santa's Helper Lip Scrub. This is actually the first thing I bought, and it smells like Coca-Cola. So I've only used a bit, but it's awesome. And then also another lip scrub that I got was in a gift pack from my Boxing Day shopping. And this is the bubblegum one. And oh my god, it smells so good. Obviously, it smells like bubblegum, but when I was in the store the first time when I bought the Santa's lip scrub, I didn't want the bubblegum one because it smelled too overpowering, I thought. And then it came in a gift set that I got. So I said, okay, fine, I'll try it. When you try it, oh my god, it changes everything. Because at first, it's just like, ew, that smells too bubblegummy, I feel sick. But when you actually try it, oh my god, it tastes so good. I know that sounds weird, but like you can lick it off your lips, so like you're eating it basically. Oh my god, it's so good. So definitely don't like push it away because it smells weird. Well, it doesn't smell weird, it's just too much. Anyways, moving on. So the next thing is my NARS foundation. I love this. I recommend it. It is light. You can't really feel like you're wearing makeup. It has good coverage still though, even though it is very light. And obviously, since I'm pale, I am light 1 Siberia. So definitely recommend this. And to pair with it, I recommend getting the concealer just if you have like problem spots or under your eyes. Because this, it has nice coverage, but if you have a really, really bad day with acne, you definitely want some extra coverage. So I would recommend that. And then also to pair with it, as I've shown in a million of my videos, the powder. I also have the NARS Laguna bronzer, but I like it, but I wouldn't say that's my favorite of 2013, just because I have so many other things that I love way more. But for a bronzer, I actually really do like it. I'm surprised. I didn't know if I would like it or not, just because I am, like I said, so pale. The only thing I'm wearing right now is my foundation and my powder, so the NARS obviously. But I think it gave me enough coverage. I don't really like wearing bronzer too much during the winter if I'm just going to school. If I'm going out, I'll put on like my MAC highlighter, my blush from Benefit, and the NARS Laguna bronzer, but I didn't want to today just because all I had was school at 8 a.m., so don't want to get all fancy for that. Another favorite, I never thought I'd be saying this, but lipstick. I never, ever, ever used to wear lipstick, but now I love this. It's Pago Pago. Definitely recommend that one. It's so natural looking, and to pair with it's sweet. So I love it. It's really good. Also, I love EOS, whatever you want to call it. This is my newest one, and my mom got me a bunch for Christmas, but it's Vanilla Bean. Smells like vanilla, obviously. It's awesome. It came in a gift pack. I don't know if you can buy it individually just because it is from gift sets, but I love this. It's really good. And then also, I couldn't pick one favorite, so all 3 of my Naked palettes because they're so awesome. I'm wearing Naked 3 today though, so gotta change it up some days. But I love all of them. I honestly can't pick which one's my favorite. And then another fragrance that I love is Princess by Vera Wang. I've had this since I was 16 or no, 14, 15. I can't remember. My grandma got it for me a really long time ago because I'm a princess. So, you know, I need matching perfume. Kidding, I'm not a princess. I wish I was. Well, I think I am, so that counts, right? Yeah, whatever. Anyways, another favorite is Essie nail polish. This is amazing. I love it. It's called Aruba Blue. So it's very, very nice. Very shiny. Usually I have it on my nails, but my nails are starting to chip because I've been wearing nail polish nonstop since October. So I don't recommend you doing that because now my nails, they don't hurt, but they rip and tear and it's really uncomfortable. Anyways, so another favorite. I never ever used to wear primer on my eyelids, but loving the NARS, pretty awesome. And a really good mascara is Lancome. I think it's called Noir Midnight. So definitely try this. This, I love it. It's a gel liner. I got it in LA, but they sell it everywhere at Sephora. It's Bobbi Brown, and it is just black ink. But I love it. It's amazing. I'm wearing it today. Not like you can really see my eyes because my bangs are so long. I look like a sheepdog. I need to get them cut or something. But yeah, so definitely recommend that. And also the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I don't usually wear liquid eyeliner, but I've had this for a while and I do like it. I just feel scared because I think it's going to like smudge everywhere. But anyways. And then also Smashbox Photo Finish. Love this. I just got it in the small size because I didn't want to spend $40 in case I didn't like it. So this was $14. But when I finish it, I think I might buy a bigger one. I'm not sure yet. See how long this lasts me. And another thing I love is my MAC lip conditioner. It's amazing. I wish I got it sooner. And also I have this like heat protecting spray from Tresemme. It's awesome. I got this in like October, I think. So you just spray your hair. It actually smells really good. And then when you straighten it or you curl it, it protects it a little bit from the heat, which is always good. And then I guess my last favorite is, I don't know if you guys know what Scentsy is, but basically you get like a warmer. So I have a cupcake warmer, so it looks like a cupcake, and then you turn it on and the light bulb heats up the wax, and then it melts obviously, but it smells good. It's like a candle, but without lighting it on fire. So you get these things, and then they're separated in the back. So, oh my god, this one's my favorite. I have a shoebox full of them. I'll do a video on that sometime. But this is the best. Oh my god, blueberry cheesecake. It's like to die for. It smells so good. I have 2 of these. I bought one of them in like October of 2012 when I literally never used it. I didn't want to waste it, and then I just got another one for Christmas. So maybe now I'll use it, but honestly, I hate using things that I love because I don't want them to go away. I know that sounds so weird, but I have so much stuff from when I was like 15, obviously. And I just like, I save things because I don't want them to go away. But anyways, so these are my favorite things that I use on sometimes a daily basis. Obviously not the things that I love too much to use. But I love all these things. I recommend all of them. If you have any questions, let me know. Just leave a comment and I will answer you as soon as I can. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.